Welcome happy campers, it's me Amanda here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside look into this new floor plan. It's a 2022 Grand Design Solitude 280RK, but let's start on the outside. Okay, here we are in our outdoor entertainment space. A few things we always point out are our awnings. So we have one gigantic awning that covers all the way past our door right here, and then a whole another one over here on our slide. So it gives us two separate areas to sort of divide up what we need. And check out these frameless windows that are amazing on a cloudy day like this, especially since they're so tall. That's all you see is the clouds, so I love that. On our front door area, we've got our step above step system. It really keeps things sturdy. We've got a nice grab handle, and our door is not a friction door, but we have a latch to control it here over at the side. And don't forget, it does have that screen door on it, which is always very helpful. But let's look into our storage. So this pass-through storage, which is at the front of this Solitude, is the only outside storage that you get, but it is mighty, so I can fit plenty of tables and chairs and accessories or games down here. I also can fit our hoses and things because we have an easy reel system on that side that really does what it says. It's easy reel, so I appreciate that. We also have our vacuum controls or accessories, our tubes and everything in this handy dandy little container. And on this side we have our battery disconnect, an LED light, satellite and cable connections, and an extra USB port, as well as a spray port also. And on that side is our convenience bay and everything else we need, and even our auto leveling system as well. So this is small, sorta. I mean, it's a big pass-through space, but for a Solitude, but it is mighty. But let's hop inside. Here we are on the inside of this Solitude. Again, a few things I always want to touch on when we step in is this really nice window that gives you a lot of nice lighting while you're inside of your camper. And we have some controls for our air conditioning. We have all of our controls, including a one-touch control system up here for our whole camper, slides, awnings, and everything. And our fuse box and a coat closet of sorts is here, but I don't happen to have a hanger, so I'm just gonna put that there. And it looks like we've got our vacuum hookups here, as well as our sweep vacuum hookup down here. That's one of my favorites, but let's look at what makes this a rear kitchen. One of the reasons why rear kitchens are such a hot floor plan, especially this year, is because of the space it gives you. We have all this back area that would be hidden behind a couch, maybe not used except for the view, when you get all of this storage both down here, up in our cabinets, and even this pantry. So we're gonna start here, obviously. This is a Solitude pantry. It has those movable shelves, and I love these open and closed little drawers they add in, and of course the lighting is always a plus. This countertop is massive, so if you got some dishes to do, you'll definitely have room for all of that. We have undermount lighting as well as some outlets underneath here, and this is our vent fan controls, which have a rain sensor. So if it starts raining, those will shut. How convenient is that? I love the big window. We really have a really nice residential size sink here with that black faucet they always use that I love. And plenty of storage underneath here for a trash can if you need to put it there. And we've got some extra things. Oh, I think I spoke too soon. Check this out. They even added their own trash can thing in here. It's really residential, high class. And let's check this bigger drawer out. Yeah, I really like that they added in different size drawers, so you have a little bit of space to play with. And then of course, all of this cabinet space. If you're hosting a party, this is a really good place to do it. Moving along to sort of our kitchen and prepping space, we have this really nice island here that is just completely open to whatever you need it for, and it also is dishwasher prepped. So you can take these storage compartments underneath and change it into your dishwasher if you would like, but if not, there's plenty of storage below. And we even have a charging tower if I can get it out. Oh, it's already out. Okay, cool. 2 outlets and 2 USB charging ports, and it's all underneath these beautiful lights that look like it would be in a nice luxury home. So that's really nice. Behind me, we have our residential size Insignia stovetop. It's 4 instead of 3, so that's really nice. We have lighting over here, extra things, and places for spices or ingredients. I love this a microwave that also is residential size. And of course, in this particular unit, we have a Samsung residential fridge and freezer drawer. Now again, these things change very often, so double check the unit you're getting. There's a lot of different options: Samsung, GE, anything else you can think of, they use it. But let's look at our dinette option. Our dinette and theater seating option is located in the slide across from our fridge, which is also in a slide. I love this freestanding table. It doesn't look like we have any legs on this side or on the other side to get in the way, so you've got plenty of feet room here. And I love the 4 chairs it comes with. They're very squishy and comfortable. Also, our theater seating, check out this color. I love the color of these light instead of the brown that you get, so it's more of a cotton decor. And of course, each of these recline all the way back to nap mode, and you've got USB charging ports on both sides, massage, and every other thing that you didn't know you needed, but you do. And check out all these windows. We have these nice roller shades down for a little bit of help with our videoing. But if these were up, you would see nothing but sun and nothing but views, and they all open, so you can really take down that air conditioning bill and keep your windows wide open. But let's sit and see where we would be watching a movie. Our magnificent entertainment system comes coupled with a TV on a lift. So actually, this whole TV will go down behind our fireplace and completely hide and unveil the window that is on the other side. So I really appreciate they give you a double option, whether you want to watch TV or you'd rather watch the outside, you know. It also has that roller shade back there, and we have 2 speakers right here underneath for our movie watching, or our indoor-outdoor speaker system that if you like to play music at the campground, super easy, and it does it from your phone. And here's the TV lift controls as well, and a USB connection there, maybe for an aux cord. Also, we have some extra storage up top, good for extra blankets and things, or board games for kids. And of course, that fireplace down below, we love the colors it turns. Both the fire and the rocks turn different colors, so I love that. But right next to it, as you can see, we've got all of this open countertop space, and I believe that there is 2 outlets underneath here. So whatever you want to use the space for, it definitely can house electronics. It can house possibly a margarita machine, or possibly even a coffee machine. So this could be a really cool movie snack bar, and it's right next to the door, so it could be where your kids come and get snacks. And check out all of this storage space. It is a very deep and tall storage area because this is where your washer and dryer prep is. So you have all of this space. You can take out that shelf and make it into a perfect place for 2 units or 1 combo unit. And it's right front and center next to the door, so when you come in with muddy clothes, throw them in there. I love that. But let's look down the hall. Here we are in the bathroom. It's right down the hallway from our entryway, and I think I have the best seat in the house. Right next to that one, of course. But here we are in one of my favorite showers. I always say that because it's single-piece fiberglass mold. I love the texture, the seat, and this amazing shower station here. We've got body jets and rain shower head and a removable nozzle. This is to put your soap, so how convenient. And if you can tell, the lighting is great in here because you have this really big skylight. I like that they give that to you, so you don't have to have a dark shower experience. But I doubt you'll be having a dark bathroom experience because this thing has plenty of lighting options near our vanity, which we'll get to in a second, and storage options. Check out how deep this storage is, and I like the little shelves they give you, so each person can have their own little shelf. But our vanity area here is where it really shines. Check out all 3 of these mirrored front medicine cabinets, which it's all one continuous cabinet. You just get the extra doors. And I love the stainless steel sink, the black faucet to match the kitchen, and we have underglow lighting on a switch and a 1-touch lighting there on the top. Down below, we've got good enough space for a small trash can if you need it, and a nice big drawer that does close very securely. But the bedroom is saved for last, but it's definitely not least. Solitude bedrooms are always my favorite, especially ones that are in the front, because you get the front cap window in your master. So imagine the views you can have just from your bed, watching TV on your TV here, or movies, I guess. But as far as lighting, we've got 1 switch that turns on underlit lighting up here for a little bit of accent ambiance lighting. We've got separate switch lights here and here. And of course, you'll get plenty of natural light with both this front cab window and the window over there as well. We have a residential size queen bed here, but you can opt for a king. Each side has their own large side tables, big enough for a CPAP machine with connections for anything you need to charge as well. And we've got a little extra storage on each side, but the wardrobe is where it all evens out. So his and hers full wardrobes with 2 accessible drawers underneath, stowed away, and a slide, so they do kind of get out of the way, but you pull them back in when you're transporting. We also have more storage underneath this bed, and check it out, here's our TV. So this is a pretty good sized TV. Again, double check TVs and things like that when you pick up your camper, but I love this master, especially these closets. But what do you think? Leave us a comment below if you have any questions on this Solitude or any other Solitude on the Grand Design line, or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.